See how that's a prince?
Yeah.
You go to the hook and line and peel, you catch snapper, run, shad. Yeah.
Come on, you want to come get some fish there.
And then fish it, and then fish there catch it. So snapper, back, shad. I same thing but I bigger one and then call shad.
So I'm just going to spray that.
Okay, it's called that?
It's called that.
There's kids, 2 parts out there, sit down there. Boy, one of the way they catch out there is called that. Very seldom we don't catch a big one. And I just part of called that, you know, all small fish. So I want to place out there, so I love the stone.
West End is not the West End I used to know. Like a lot of places are closed down. Since COVID, man, nothing going on for West End too much.
I don't like it.
West End was the place to be. You talk about lively.
Action. I can't go show this place already.
You know the place, man. You know the place. It's supposed to be somewhere around here. So. It was Superior. Guys, we are at Samsara's hotel. And this is what it looks like so far.
Whichever floor you like, we have 3 floors.
I don't like ground floor.
Alright, that's why I said from there.
Say which floor you prefer? Ground floor?
No.
Anything other than the ground?
How much floor you have?
3.
3? Let me see
The ground floor and 2 more.
Let me go for the last one. More view.
Oh, you prefer the last one?
More view.
Alright.
Somebody like view.
He's again. You have any empty room up here? Somebody come. There's some guests here.
We have a little view going on here. So this is your view to the road, guys. Nice.
That's a long drop.
Drop.
That's a real drop.
Alright. So guys, now we are entering the room and this is what it looks. Sea view. Wow.
And you can open here.
So this is all inclusive?
Yeah, you can.
Or you have to actually request it?
Yes, yeah. Request it. Whatever you want.
This is nice. Oh,
You can come. You don't have to.
nice.
Come
oh,
on.
You can go out. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Guys, check this out. Samsara in NEGRIL, West End. Look at this view.
And see your pool here.
And the pool is right there.
And you have more pool over here.
You have more
How
pool?
much you want to have pool?
That part over there is yours too?
No.
No.
Oh, that's a different thing.
So the wall is stuff.
Check out the sunset. Oh my God.
And you can look. You have over there, you have other pool over that side.
Over the side.
Yeah.
So we are on the 3rd floor, guys, and check out your view.
Yeah.
Nice. And we have a party boat passing through. Look at it.
You have some small one over there.
Some small ones. Those are what boats?
Come. Look at the boats there.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Lots.
10. And you can look back. Come. Look at that 10.
Wow. So
That is on the beach side.
that's
That
up
is
the
the
beach.
beach side.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That is up the beach.
Very nice. This is the first time over at Samsara. I always worked down there for a while and never
Yeah.
always pass by. But this
Yeah.
is actually nice.
Yeah.
So you guys have like party outside there sometimes?
They have somebody coming.
Oh, okay.
What do you call that? That little place here? Side of the pool.
That's like just a
Just
little
like
lounging
just a
area.
relaxed place.
Yeah.
You just relax.
Just like out there, so?
Yeah, you just come from outside, you just go in the pool and you just relax.
Wow. Nice. Nice view. I like
Yes,
this
they
one.
have some things over there.
mhm.
Yeah, put your drink.
So over there is
Over
yours
there,
also.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Wow.
Hello.
I like this part.
Yeah, man.
I can see myself
10:01.
relaxing here.
May I tell you? See breeze.
Where's the prince? Alright, so now,
Okay.
so this is what your room look like, guys. We have the big bed right here.
Sit again.
Yeah, salute.
We have the big bed right here.
Sit there.
We have a dresser, a mini fridge, little chair in the corner here. And I showed you the sea view. This is actually sea view room. Nice size, nice floor. You have your little lamp over here. And then you have the bathroom. Bathroom is here. And a little sink, a little bathtub over here. And pretty nice, smelling nice also, nice location. Your close proximity to the center, the supermarket, the beach, and all that. And then we have a little sliding closet,
Yeah.
slide closet right here.
And you have your safe.
Oh, you have your safe.
You own a
Very
safe.
important. Yeah.
You have your own safe.
Yes, and you're nice.
Nobody put up anything for you. You put it up
Yeah, there
yourself.
you go. Very nice view to the road here. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Norma.
Norma, nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you guys too.
I hope to see you in a few days. Oh, that's scary. I don't know for people here on that type of thing. So guys, I'm at Cocoa Palm and this is so nice up here. And guys, Cocoa Palm is right beside Margaritaville. So it's right next door. So this is your surrounding, guys. So we have the grill over there where you can get your jerk chicken and whatever, liquor and all of that. We have the bathroom right there. If you want to use the bathroom, it's right there. And we are at the bar area here. And there's your beach over there, guys. This is the dining room area. So this is your dining room. The dining room is right there, guys, and your beachfront is right there. And then you have a little picnic area there where you get your barbecue stuff and you can just sit on those benches over there and just relax. If you feel like you can go out into the ocean. And this is what it's looking like. 11 o'clock in the morning. Breakfast is over and people are just now coming out to go into the water, the nice water. And this is what the Cocoa Palm. So we have nice rooms. Price is not bad, especially in the summer. So you can come on down. I think in the summer you pay like $100 a night, but now it's a little pricey right now. It's like two something now in the winter because this is the peak season. And you have a little pool area right here, Cocoa Palm. Very popular place. I stayed here before and it's very nice. So this is just a little walkthrough. We had breakfast there and now I'm just showing you what it looks like over here. So we have all these greenery. Nice pool. This is what the houses are looking like. Rooms. So as you can see, a lot of palm trees and shrubberies, luscious looking, very calm atmosphere, good vibes, not too calm. And I just can see up here. Look at all your palm trees. We have the breadfruit trees. Very nice place to stay. You're close to everything. You're close to downtown NEGRIL. You're close to Margaritaville. Like I said, it's neighbor to Margaritaville next door. And this is the lobby area. This is right there. As you can see, it says right here in front of the palm. This is the parking lot over here. You can park your car. I think they have parking across the street also. So we are in the front of the building, and that's the Norman Manley Boulevard Cocoa Palm of the beach, NEGRIL, Westmoreland. Chilling under this big almond tree.
Yeah, man. Right.
Peace. Hey! Peace out. Big scafe, guys.